I made popsicles, so let's see what's cooking. Line 9, today I am going to teach you how to make Jell-O Kool-Aid popsicles. But first, I need a guest. Where you at?
That's me! Oh, thanks for having me.
I'm excited for you to tag along, finally.
Oh, good one, good one. Oh, anything for free food.
Yes, exactly. So in a minute, I'm going to tell you what's cooking. All you need is a measuring cup, sugar, a bowl, popsicle sticks, your favorite Kool-Aid, 2 packs, and 3 ounces of your favorite Jell-O. Let's get started. Okay, Maddie, before we put the ingredients in the bowl, just fill up the water so we can boil it. So first, get the Jell-O box.
We got some berry blue.
Berry blue, my favorite. Yeah,
That's a good one.
And you put it in the bowl. Then you're gonna put both of these packages in the bowl as well.
What's this one?
Mixed berry.
Mixed berry. Oh, we got like a berry theme.
A berry theme. Put 3/4 worth of sugar in there.
I think the water's boiling.
I think so. You think it's ready?
Yeah, let's rock and roll.
All right, pour that baby in.
It's turning blue!
It is turning blue.
Oh my gosh, it's like magic. Or better yet, science. This kind of takes some muscle.
It does take muscle and athleticism. We need to get Patrick.
Yeah. This is the next Get Moving Illini.
Get Moving Illini, Popsicle Edition. Almost done. Pour that baby in.
I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous. Oh, okay.
Is that good?
Yep. All right, you're doing amazing, sweetie.
Thank you. All right, got the stick in the cup. 7 hours later, this
bad baby's done.
Good to go.
We have slushies. These are so good.
And they're amazing. You're really good at this stuff.
Just call me a chef.
You're a chef.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Well,
I made a huge mess. We gotta start cleaning up this kitchen.
Yeah, but we told you what's cooking, so back to you guys.
Good morning,
Illini.